I think we are live again. So hello students and welcome back to BankExamsToday.com. So today few students actually suggested me and asked me, sir, why don't you share the important questions for RBI Grade B exam on YouTube? So why not? So today I'm starting the RBI Grade B SureShot series, right? So in this series I'm going to take one live lecture every day from today onwards till 15th of August. So there will be like near about 30 sessions will be there. This is the part number one. According to me, the sessions that I'm doing, first of all, these sessions are totally free, and secondly, I'm going to share, according to my experiences, what are the important questions for phase one as well as for the phase two. So we are live, right? So if there is any doubt in your mind, you can ask it right away. So please ask, right? Let me check if you're able to hear it properly. In case you're facing any problem in hearing this video, please let me know. So if you're able to hear it properly, yes, I think you're able to hear it properly. There are a lot of students who are with us. So let's start, student. First of all, let's start with types of bonds today. So before starting, let me tell you the RBI Grade B 2018 course that we do, and this course contains the video classes. So there are video classes for phase one and phase two. Then there will be proper notes. Then there will be proper study material, discussion boards, RBI Grade B discussion, RBI Grade B GK Digest subscription is included, and everything is available on store.bankexamstoday.com. So let's start. So the first common type of bonds, that is the fixed rate bond. As the name suggests, in the fixed rate bond, the interest rate or the coupon rate is fixed. The interest rate remains fixed throughout the tenure of the bonds. While in the floating rate bonds, the interest rate varies. It fluctuates as per the current market reference rate. So there are basic types of, the bonds. One is the fixed one and one the floating one. In the fixed one, the coupon rate or the interest rate is known as a coupon rate. When we are discussing the bonds, the coupon rate is fixed in fixed rate bonds and floating as per the current market reference in case of the floating rate of interest. Not that much important question, but let's move on. Mortgage bonds and the debentures. Another differentiating factor in this type of bond, the mortgage type of bond is backed by the real estate or equipment or any other actual asset owned by the issuer. It can be a company, it can be government. So it is mortgage based loans, mortgage based bonds. While in case of debentures, there is no such case, right? In case of debentures, there are no collateral associated. Collateral means mortgage. No collateral is associated in case of debentures. Till now, if you are unable to understand anything, we are trying to make everything simple. It's actually really simple for RBI Grade B, but yes, there will be questions at the end of this lecture. I'll tell you from this particular simple lecture of 10 minutes. Last year there was a question. In 2016 there was a question. So but from these slides there was no question. So what are the guaranteed bonds? Two basic differentiating factor, the guaranteed and the income bonds. In the guaranteed bonds, no matter what happens, if the issuer issued the bonds, he will pay you the interest. Whatever he guaranteed at the beginning, he will pay you that interest, right? He will pay you that coupon rate. But in case of income bonds, the issuer is only obliged to make interest payments if the issuer or the specific project earns a profit. So if a bond is issued for a particular project and it is an income bond, that is actually little confusing. I mean, as the name suggests, income bond it should provide the regular income, but not. It is not that clear. In case of income bond, the coupon or the interest will be paid only and only in case the particular project is making money, the particular project is generating revenue. There is a risk factor here. So these are income and guaranteed bond. Now zero coupon bonds or the zero interest rate bonds. So if you are having any problem, sorry for that. Sorry. It's embarrassing while in live videos. So 40 people are watching us. If you are facing any problem, this is the question that we saw in the 2017 exam, right? So if you are facing any problem in watching this video, if there is any doubt in your mind, you can ask in that, in the chats. I'm here available in the chats, right? So what are zero interest rate bonds? Or last year, in the question, it was zero coupon rate, zero coupon bond that was asked in the exam. When we are talking about bonds, coupon and interest are one and the same things, right? Zero coupon bond. What is a zero coupon bond? For example, today is 2018th, right? What is the date today? I think it's what is the date? It is 9th. Yeah, it is today's 9th of July. And let's say on 10th of July, 10th of July 2018, I issued a bond, a zero coupon bond. The maturity value on, let's say, after 5 years, let's say on 23, it will mature on 9th of July 2023. So instead of paying a coupon, I will provide deep discount. See, the maturity value is rupees 1000 per bond, right? And today I issued it at, let's say, I issued it at rupees 580 or rupees 630, whatever the amount is. So I am issuing this bond at a deep discount, and I'm not going to pay any coupon. I'm not going to pay any interest during that period, during 2019, 2020, during 21, 22. On 2023, I will pay rupees 1000 per bond, per unit of bond. Till that period, there will be no transaction. But right now, the bonds are issued at deep discount. So these bonds are also known as the deep discount bonds. Zero coupon bonds, zero interest rate bonds, or deep discount bonds. This question was asked in 2017 exam. I mean, it seems really easy, and it is actually really easy. This was actually 2 marker. This was a 2-mark question. So really important, students. Yes, a question will be asked from such, topics. Zero coupon convertible bonds. What are convertible bonds, first of all? Convertible bonds are the kind of bonds which can be converted from bonds to equity. For example, you have issued 1000 bonds worth rupees 10 each. So its value is rupees 10,000, right? And let's say it's a 10-year bond. In between, you provide an option to the bond holders that you can convert it into the shares or the equity. So these are convertible bonds that can be converted into equity. So what are zero coupon convertible bonds? So this is the variation of zero coupon bonds that allows investors to convert their bonds into the common stock of the issuer. So remaining things are same, but you are providing an opportunity to the investors to convert it into convertible bonds. What are convertible bonds? I have already told you that can be converted into common stock of the issuer at a predetermined conversion ratio. So what are serial bonds? So if there is any doubt in your mind, students, please ask your doubts in the comment section. I'm going to answer it all. Anything related to FM, even you can ask it right away. I'm going to answer it. So good evening, everybody. Not embarrassing, sir. When you are going to take numerical question? Yes. In this series, who was asking this? Ninka. Just a second. Was Ninka Chauhan. Yes, I'm going to share the numericals as well. Whatever according to me is important, I'm going to share that here. So I'm facing a lot of problems in GA. Please help. Rashi Moto. Nice name. Rashi, what I can recommend you is follow the RBI Grade B GK Digest. That is a one-stop solution, right? Sir, what books to follow? I have already done the book list, video. You should check that video. What are serial bonds? This bond is gradually paid off in successive years. So it is a kind of EMI. So for example, there is a 10 years bond. So the company, instead of paying, let's say the company issued on 1st of July 1st of July 2018, the company issued the bonds, right? And its maturity is on 1st of July 2028. So instead of paying the whole money with interest on 1st of July 2028, the company is paying it in installments, right? So these are serial bonds. So that's all for today, students. Pretty easy actually. I mean, in 2016 there was a question from perpetual bonds. I think I have missed the perpetual bonds. So what are perpetual bonds? I missed it. In case of perpetual bond, there is no maturity date. I think perpetual bonds, right? I will share that in the description as well. The perpetual bonds. Am I pronouncing right? I'm not sure. The perpetual bonds are the sort of kind of bonds in which there is no maturity date. Once the company releases it, issues it, I mean, they'll keep on paying the interest. There will be no maturity date. So that question was asked in 2016, the perpetual bonds. So I will, write it in that. I think the spellings are like, just a second. If there is any doubt in your mind, you can ask it right away. So it's if there is any doubt, so perpetual bonds I have already told you. Any doubt in your mind, students? Okay, sir, आपके नोट से बहुत हेल्प हुआ है. Thank you very much, Bikash Nayak. Thank you, thanks a lot. This is a real time feedback, students. So in case you like our classes, if you feel that the way we are teaching is really easy, you can get the complete course, the RBI Grade B 2018 course. So please discuss the rule of 114, 140. Saurabh, I have done a proper video on that, yeah. I mean, why don't you just for Saurabh, I mean, let me get out of this, and for Saurabh ये आपके लिए है, ठीक है. Just go to YouTube, right? Just go to youtube.com and then rule of 72. इस पे तो मैं आऊँगा नहीं वैसे, but anyhow, rule of 72, I'm unable to see rule of 72. I made a proper video on that. So this is the video. How long does it takes to double, triple or quadruple your money? So Saurabh, this is for you. Please click it. How long does it take to double, triple or quadruple your money? So please click it. This is what you are asking for. So any other doubt in your mind, student, please ask. Saurabh is done. Good evening, Deepak. Sir, how to get pass and easily in RBI Grade B exam? पहली तो यार just take the course, follow the daily series, and then read the RBI Grade B GK Digest. It will be helpful for sure. So how to get pass? I'm not graduate yet. RBI takes exam every year. Yes, RBI takes a conducts the RBI Grade B exam, RBI Grade B exam every year. So don't worry. So that's all for today, students. I hope I have solved all your doubts. You can join the RBI Grade B course. The video classes are there, the notes are there, test series are there, discussion boards are there. Everything is available on store.bankexamstoday.com. I hope you like this lecture. So every day I'm going to come back and provide the basics of the basic concepts in that ESI, in the GA, in the FM, whatever I feel like, I mean, that's really important for the exam that you should know, I'm going to share. Last year I mean, I had a kind of sixth sense kind of a thing that this question will be there in the exam, but I didn't share it properly in the YouTube. That was my mistake. I'm not going to commit the same mistake this year, and I'm going to share, सब कुछ share करूँगा जो भी मुझे पता है इस exam के बारे में, everything on this platform. Hello sir, hi, how can I join this course? Just go to store.bankexamstoday.com, Komal Pannu, please go to store.bankexamstoday.com. There you can join the course. So that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. Bye.